Hello and welcome friends. I am your digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creations in your own YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss understanding ad networks as well. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button of this video. Let's get started. Necessary information. Well, you have seen all those display ads all over the internet by now. You have hopefully got a pretty good understanding of how they work. Now, you might want to start thinking about where you want your ads to appear, but how do you find websites with advertising space to sell? And how do you connect with them? Well, that's where display advertising networks come in. Display advertising networks are like a middleman connecting businesses who want to advertise across the world with websites with ad space to sell. Now, let's find out how they can help your business find and advertise on the right websites for you. Let's go back to our film review podcast. Let's say you found a specific website you wanted to advertise your own podcast on. Well, you have a few options here. First, you could contact the site directly to work out the details, and that's certainly something like that happens. But with all the websites out there that offer to you advertising opportunities, you can imagine this can be pretty time consuming. This is where display advertising networks come in. They handle both the buying and the selling of display ads, linking businesses to websites that want to sell advertising space. Another way to think of it's a marketplace that brings businesses and websites together, helping manage the transactions. There are quite a few of these networks out there, like Google Display Networks or Yahoo, and they all offer different features, but there's a few things, most of them in common. First and foremost, they all offer businesses looking to advertise and ad space on website. Websites that offer these ad spaces can become a part of these networks, and they can do things like set minimum prices for how much money they expect for showing ads. Your business can then bid for the spots you want to decrease or increase throughout all the websites in the that network, deciding how much you are willing to pay. Buyers and sellers are connected every single time pages are loaded, and the ads that win the right to fill the ad spot are shown. Of course, each network has its own rules, its own features, and its own processes and bidding systems. But the key is that they all match buyers and sellers to fill available ad spots. Networks can help you target specific audience through two main routines or the routes. The topic of the web pages where the ads appear and general information about the people viewing the content, while the exact criteria you can use to find your audience or the way you actually go about running your campaign could vary from network to network. Targeting is essential to get your ads in front of the right people. Another thing that networks do is handle the money involved into it. Buying and selling ads happens every second of every day, and the networks collect money from businesses and pay the website that show the ads. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, advertising network collect and share data with the businesses. They can tell you how many times your ads are shown, how many times they are clicked on, how much they cost to you, where they have been showing up, and how all of these varies between the websites and audiences you are targeting to them. Many networks even let you add tracking to your web pages so you can see if your ads are resulting in conversions on your website. If you want to use display advertising to promote your business across the web, advertising networks are a great place to start. They are all bring together with the website that want to sell your ad space. They will let you decide where your ads will be seen and who will see to them. They will manage the money for everyone involved in it. They will even provide you the data you need to know just how well your campaign is getting it. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.